1-800-555-1509. The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Okay, where the heck is the music at the end of the alert tone? Like, normally it's like, this station is testing its emergency alert equipment, but they don't do that. Also, if you made it to this point of the video, I would like to show something very sad. I missed a flow warning. Again. Yeah. I know, right? Sucks. Oh well.